Okay, warm welcome to all. Let's complete another very important judgment. Satish Ragde versus State of Maharashtra 2021. A judgment of Honorable Bombay High Court, which is stayed by the Honorable Supreme Court. Okay, so this is a famous case. Also, we can name it as skin to skin contact case. Okay, so citation again I am reading Satish Ragde versus State of Maharashtra 2021. Okay, now before we proceed, actually the Honorable Bombay High Court actually had passed an order in which it was held that no sexual assault if there is a no skin to skin contact even with the sexual intent. So this was actually controversial part. So now before I proceed, let me first tell you the fact of the case. You should know the fact of the case also. Because there was a minor girl, very 12-year-old girl, and she was taken away by an accused person and to his house, and later on by some false pretext also, and the accused tried to disrobe her dress. Okay, so the mother of the girl by chance reached to the spot, and she actually rescued her daughter, and later on a complaint was filed to the police station there. Okay, now first of all, let because the case was filed, and the trial court, when the case was before the trial court, the accused was convicted under section 354, section 354 of the Indian Penal Code, 363, 342, and as well as the section 8 of the POXO Act. You can read the section 8 of the POXO Act. And let me first tell you that when we see section 354, the punishment which is in the case of section 8 of the POXO, we find the 3 years punishment is there, and in the case of section 354, 1 year punishment is there. Now let's see, these charges were actually framed, and later on the trial, the accused was actually convicted under these sections. Now the sentence was passed for the for the 3 years of imprisonment of this person for the sexually assaulting the minor girl, and also being later on this person was being aggrieved by this judgment, filed an appeal. Okay, तो उन्होंने अपील फाइल किया कहाँ पर, नागपुर बेंच में, बॉम्बे हाई कोर्ट में उन्होंने एक अपील फाइल करी रिगार्डिंग दिस पनिशमेंट कि फॉर द एक्यूटल, ऑब्वियसली फॉर द एक्यूटल ही वाज फाइलिंग एन अपील, एंड रिगार्डिंग द चार्जेस ऑफ सेक्शन 8 of the POXO. Now what was the judgment of the Honorable High Court of the Bombay? It was actually it was held, or you can say it, the order of the trial court was modified, and the means order of the session judge was modified and acquitted the accused from the charges of sexual assault. So sexual assault का जो चार्ज सेक्शन 8 में जो उन पे लगाया गया था पॉक्सो एक्ट का, उन उसको हटा दिया गया, और उन्होंने 354, the 354 of the IPC regarding this section, the conviction was upheld. Now, the court observed that the prosecution has failed to make a case that the accused moved the dress of the child before molesting her. So, this was the actually reasoning, and as such, there was no physical contact. So, there is no skin to skin contact as per the court, Bombay High Court, and the skin to skin with sexual intent without penetration. So, this was held by the honorable Bombay High Court, that it is not the fit case for section 8 of the POXO, rather the section 354 of the IPC, this was upheld by the Bombay High Court, but the charges of section 8 of the POXO Act was removed. Now what was the actually effect? When you will see the section 7 of the POXO Act, the maximum punishment, section 8 of section 7 of the POXO Act, you will find that the maximum punishment is 3 years. Okay, you can check the sections there, and section 354, the minimum punishment is 1 year. So obviously the discretion is with the court, so 1 year punishment was given. So the modification of judgment resulted, they accused for the imprisonment of only 1 year instead of 3 years. The judgment was criticized by the people as a dangerous precedent, thus the order was stayed by the Supreme Court. So this judgment of the Bombay High Court was now stayed, and the present judgment, because it was criticized by the people as a dangerous precedent, so currently the Honorable Supreme Court stayed this, this judgment. So this is very important this is very important, and I think uh, obviously when we see the crimes regarding the women, so now this stay on the judgment will be a very good step taken by our honorable Supreme Court of India. So I think this point is also very clear to you what was the judgment, and I hope you liked it. So thank you very much, and I will be keep updating all new judgments to you. Okay, take care.